like turning up to an ocean where you find every aquatic animal. Or maybe you're even just turning up to a space where the lands, waters, lakes, and other rivers are spectacular with any spectacular animal. Even you feel exciting about it. And let's start around today of finding the structures of the aquatic animal. Aquatic is a type like water but can have animals in it, like a fish, shark, many types of it. And right now we have to contract and contrast these animals of structures of the aquatic animal. For the structures, a structure is the part that make up the animal, and the fusion is called functions, not fusion, functions is at the draw the parts there. And let's go on to the functions first. The functions may be first we may able to move, breathe, protection, and get some food. These are some of when we all turn to the basics, and let's go on to function to structures. Let's go. The movement is the function. No, the movement is the structures, is the job that we can move. And the functions is like for swimmers, for dolphins, fin and flippers, all of these help them to spin faster on the ocean. Sharks always also use fins and flippers. Well, they mostly use fins, and dolphins also have fins or maybe flippers, actually flippers. Let's go on to the breathing. But before we move on to the breathing, the movements also included others on the land animal too. The webbed feet. The webbed feet is for ducks. They are on the water. There's enough, but these webbed feet, or they walk like this, but they can dive faster because like we have these webbed feet to try to swim in a deep ocean. Let's go on to the breathing. The breathing we have is gills and sometimes fish heads and lungs. The turtles, they have to go back and up. Also some of the walrus do too. And sometimes many people or the dolphins have blowholes or even have nostrils on top of your head. Have you ever imagined you have nostrils on top of your head? That would be ridiculous. But for other marine animals, they think it's very serious. If you just have to think about these nostrils on top of your head. Next, we're going to go on to protection. Protection is the wild part of life. It's mostly have a bit of like, but it's really important to keep us safe and not to be in danger. For protection, some of the aquatic animals might have first we got scales, or included to be for another example is thick skin, blubber, walrus, and other kind of animals on the land, but maybe they can swim. And then fur is called the rabbit. Black fur, dense fur is for polar bears. But I found these too. They're like furry friends, and we like them because they have dense fur, blubber, and other kinds of materials that can keep protection. Feeding. For feeding, you understand that easy. Mouths. No, if you say mouths, we have teeth. Also that includes sharp teeth, suckers, and sharp teeth. Suckers is some kind of like the blowholes. Well, there are many types of sucker snakes. I found one type of suckers too. It's concluded to this cheap. It's a shrimp. Because this design is for eating shrimps, it must have like a sucker. Or maybe it have a speckled type. A sucker that can swallow up or maybe chomp on shrimp. That's another kind. And that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you everyone to listen to me, and I appreciate listening. When the times you listen or found an animal, or maybe you found an aquatic animal too, look at them and contract and contrast, finding the functions and structures about it. Then you might know everything.